Hello, Nyashong. My name is Tiffany Moore, and today I'm so honored to have Hmong American Student Association, also known as HASA, at the University of Wisconsin here with me today. And so basically, I decided to volunteer some of my time today just to devote about how this project really aligns with my vision and my goals, which is promoting and preserving our culture and our traditions, as well as food and nutrition. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Most people who get taught are like, watch, this is how you do it. They don't explain, it's just like, just do it.
So there's a special one that my mom usually makes. It used to be my favorite. I don't know what it directly translates to, but it's like a pickled like mustard green. My mom used to garden a lot back when I was little, so I would always help her like grow it up, and then once it was ready to harvest, I would help like pick it, and then we would always pickle it, and it was always super fun. So that's one that I always remember.
The papaya salad. One of my favorite memories is like helping my mom or seeing my mom cook it. But for papaya salad, it consists of papaya, tomatoes, peppers, and a special sauce with like crab in it.
I think what I love about Hmong food is how homey it is, because even though it is like a really basic ingredient food, it's like made with love, and whenever I go back home, I always ask my mom to make me some like boiled fish or boiled chicken, and even though it's like the most basic thing ever, it like brings me back home, and that's why I love it.
It's nostalgic, it's nice, reminds me of when I was like little and eating food, and especially now being in college, in a big college that doesn't have access to like Hmong food and stuff. It's so nice eating Hmong food once in a while because it just reminds me of home. So yeah.